Welcome to Grayton Beach. We're at the beach. It is very windy. It's a double red flag today, which means you can't get in the water. Can you hear the wind? And see how the wind is making big waves on the water? And look at the seagrass blowing in the wind. Woo! There are big waves on the lake today, which means it's about to be a storm. See, it's a storm, just like I said it would be. It started to rain. You know, windy days at the beach can still be nice. Thanks for joining me.